sooner from the Purchase College Library. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to focus on any system's controlled vocabulary to search your topic more reliably, employ system operators to make your results more relevant and browsable, use the settings in any search system to customize your view as well as your results, and get the right mindset for searching effectively. As you begin your search, you'll notice that narrowing results is one of the biggest challenges you will face. Here are some tips to remember that will help you focus your results and make your sets more relevant. You'll want to employ these ideas sooner rather than later when searching to save yourself time and trouble. Subjects. As you glance through the first set of results, pay particular attention to subject headings. These might be called subjects, subject headings, descriptors, DE, SH, terms, or keywords. When looking at records, pay attention to that field of information that feels like it's trying to control the vocabulary of your search. Operators. Make sure that you understand that there are, in every system, a variety of operators that can help you target your results. The simplest of these is quotation marks, which can help you force a phrase. Look at the difference between tobacco child labor and tobacco and, quote, child labor, end quote. Many systems have advanced search screens with multiple search boxes that can help you with Boolean operators like and or. We almost always use these to simplify our statements. Some systems, like Google and our Discovery search, will assume and. In others, you may need to specify. Truncation is another important function accomplished with the right operator. In many systems, a truncation symbol like asterisk is used to replace a letter or letters and allow for more flexibility. For example, if I wanted anything in my search pertaining to cigar, cigars, cigarette, or cigarettes, I'd be much better off using a truncation symbol to search for all of those in one fell swoop than each of them individually or in combination. I can do that here by typing an asterisk after the main root I need, so cigar asterisk will work well. Options, or limiters. Every search system is designed with options to help you limit your results or the display of those results. Look around the page to see what options are available. Some common options include date range, source types, whether something's a book, academic journal, magazine, etc., full text, advanced search, relevance versus date, or other pull-down search options. Utilizing these can be very helpful in how you display your results. Numbers. In the age of Google and Discovery search, there are no hard and fast rules for a number you should be shooting for. But what's realistic? Does a set of 100,000 results really help you if you're not likely to spend your weekends sifting through all those records? Likely not, nor would we suggest that. But look at the number of results and try to whittle that down. Use the result number to gauge whether you're on the right track. This is important in Google, databases, and library catalogs. Bring results down to a comfortable browsing level. Explore. As a researcher, you're really an explorer. Think of yourself that way. Employ all the tips listed here to really get a sense of where your search is. Read through and browse the first page or two of results just to see if you're getting relevant hits. Patience and persistence will pay off. Be sure to look past the top few hits to evaluate the relevance of the first few pages. If you aren't finding relevant results, limit your search further or re-search. Record. Once you find a relevant result, use that record to find others like it. First, don't lose it. Be sure to save or record that result. You can email it to yourself, export it to Zotero or another citation manager, but whatever you do, don't lose it. Make sure you keep that information. Then, use that item's subject terms or publication information to expand your search and find similar sources. Check source or journal to see if there are similar results from that same publication. Remember that the best results are relevant ones. Use subject headings, operators, option, numbers, and your explorer mentality to get the right records and citations. With the right citations in hand and some lead time, we can help you get to almost anything. These tips for narrowing your results will help you finish your project sooner rather than later.